Alright guys, part 2. This is what I'm working right now. I just installed the motherboard and CPU, RAM, and dual channel setup. And for the other one, I just took the graphics card. So now I'm gonna transfer the power supply, radiator, and we'll see what fans I can take for now, but yeah. All right, here are the parts. RTX 3090, as you can see, Kraken cooler, RMA 50X, and my 2 hard drives to store games here. I already put the SSD in the new motherboard. Now I'm gonna install this. After 2 hours, this is where I'm at. I've installed the only one water cool.